Hello, my name is Teacher Bell and welcome to another tips review and tutorial. For today's video, we will list down the materials for each of these 13 categories to give a new teacher an insight on what to expect and prep up for the next school year. But first, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you find it helpful. Just a note, you don't have to buy everything that's on the list, especially because most office supplies are available in the school. And student and classroom supplies may also be requested from parents at the beginning of the school year. And you can always make a project in donorschoose.com to find donors for bulk and expensive supplies. My flexible seating materials, I did request this from donorschoose.org. Of course, discount stores are our go-to for everything we need, and improvise, make, and recycle is the key to save some money. I also have a video on how to use these materials in your classroom, so check that out. I'll put the link below. Okay, so here we go. Check out this list. Thank you for watching, and if you do have some items that you think are necessary in the classroom, please do comment them below. Thank you.